Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create an Amazon Flex account. Amazon Flex lets you earn money by delivering packages on your own schedule. Firstly, the app is available for Android and iPhone. Download it and use it to register, manage your schedule, and track deliveries. Open the app to confirm if Amazon Flex operates in your region. Then sign in using your existing Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have. Now provide basic details including name and email, address, and valid driver's license, also a bank account for direct deposit payments. Enter info about your delivery car like make, model or year, license plate number, and proof of insurance. Amazon checks your criminal and driving record, and approval usually takes a few business days, though it can vary. Now inside the Flex app, watch short tutorials videos on scanning, routing, and delivery protocols. Once approved, you'll see available shifts in the app. Pick time slots that match your schedule. Now arrive at the pickup site on time and scan your packages with the app, then follow the in-app route, deliver to customers, and get paid. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.